Great, let's look at styles. Now, in the later Excel, either intermediate or advanced, we look at styles in more detail and how to customize styles. Now we're just going to use the out of the box default styles within Excel. So what I can do is, let's say for instance, let's look at the home tab in the styles group. See here we got our styles, and if I click on the drop down arrow there, we got good, bad and neutral styles for normal, bad, good and neutral. We've got data and model, which is calculations, check styles, explanatory, input styles, link styles, notes, outputs, warning text. And then we're also going to have titles and headings, heading 1, heading 2. We have themed cell styles, and then we can have number formats. Now what we're going to be doing is we're going to look at this, okay, and we're going to say, okay, so let's say for instance we're going to say that let's highlight on our percentages, or rather let's select cell F4 and let's from our styles group select this as a calculation, and then we can say okay. So we can even then go and we can say, alright, let's look at our budget, and we see, okay, but when we paid 5,500 for rent there in March, maybe that was bad, and then the rest of the data was good, and maybe we have some of the car where we can say that is neutral. You can really play around with these styles. You can even select your percentages there, select the drop down, and you can say okay, but these were calculated files, or maybe these were outputs. And really you can play around with these types of styles within your document. Just as I've done it here, my document all of a sudden doesn't really look nice. So be sure that when you are using these types of styles, that you really take time to look at what it is that you are trying to achieve, so that you can present your document to whoever needs to look at your document